हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू दिस चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम एक कटिंग एज पावरफुल ओपन सोर्स कंप्यूटर मैथमेटिक्स सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम विथ एक्सटेंसिव स्टनिंग ग्राफिक फीचर्स सेज मैथ के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। सेज मैथ was developed by William Stein at University of Washington. It uses many open source software packages like Maxima, Numerical Python, Scientific Python, Matplotlib libraries, Symbolic Python, Gap, Plint, R, etc. इनके डिटेल्स हम इंटरनेट पर चेक कर सकते हैं। सेज यूजेस पाइथन लैंग्वेज जो कि आजकल डाटा साइंस और मशीन लर्निंग में कंप्यूटर साइंस स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाई जाती है। सेज को हम लाइनक्स, विंडोज़, मैक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम तीनों पर इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं। सेज मैथ को फिज़िक्स, इकोनॉमिक्स, स्टैटिस्टिक्स, ज्योमेट्री, केमिस्ट्री, ग्राफ थियरी, डिस्क्रीट मैथ, न्यूमेरिकल कंप्यूटिंग, स्टैटिस्टिक्स, मशीन लर्निंग और मैनी अदर इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड्स में आजकल यूज़ किया जा रहा है। सेज मैथ से कनेक्ट होने के लिए हमारे पास 3 मेथड्स हैं। या तो लोकल मशीन या कंप्यूटर पर सॉफ्टवेयर पैकेज को इंस्टॉल कर लिया जाए। नॉर्मली इसमें जुपिटर नोटबुक यूज़ होती है यूज़र इंटरफेस के लिए। हम सेज मैथ से डायरेक्टली सेज सेल सर्वर से कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं वाया इंटरनेट ब्राउज़र, और कोकैल्क क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग सर्वर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं सेज मैथ से कनेक्ट होने के लिए। दिस इज़ ए कॉमर्शियल वेबसाइट। नाउ हम तीनों मेथड को एक बार देखते हैं। पहले हम लोकल मशीन इंस्टॉलेशन करने के लिए सेज मैथ का वर्जन 10.3 इंस्टॉल करने के लिए sagemath.org इस वेबसाइट पर इस सॉफ्टवेयर को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। और इस सॉफ्टवेयर को डाउनलोड करने के लिए हमको विंडोज़ सिस्टम फॉर लाइनक्स WSL यूज़ करना होता है। WSL इज़ ए फीचर ऑफ विंडोज़ दैट allows to run Linux environment on Windows machine without the need to separate virtual machine or dual booting. So Sage Math के लिए वर्जन 10.3 के लिए we require WSL system. Now the details for this to installation are given in the website. If you go to the website here, sagemath.org, this is the web page. Now from here we can install 10.3 version by clicking this web, and the instructions are given in the website. Now Windows binaries, that is exe files for the SageMath 9.3 can be downloaded from the website this given here. So instead of 10.3 version, we can use SageMath 9.3 for Windows exe files. We can get the installer here. So if we go to this website github.com, we get SageMath 9.3 Windows installer 0.6.3. From here we can download exe file for SageMath, and if we run the typical Jupyter notebook interface for the Sage Math 9 is shown here. You can see here. Now you can see this is the notebook page. This notebook page is a user interface to connect with Sage Math. Now this is the in one is the input cell where you give the input command, and out we get the result. In output cell we get the results. Now here you can see in the first line the Python language is used. So variable var is the variable, x and y are defined. These are the single quote here you are used. Variable x, y are defined. Now solve command is used. X plus y equal double equal is equal to 6. X minus y is equal to 4. Square bracket and bracket is closed. X, y, these are the variables. If you run shift plus enter, we get the output here. This Jupyter notebook is in the local installation. Now if we go to the easiest way to connect with Sage Math is go to the Sage Math cell server. This is the website for the Sage Math cell server. If you go to this website, we get this page, this web page for Sage cell server. Now this is the web page here. Now here we will give the command, write the command. This is in the internet web browser. If we write the command here, and then we press the evaluate here, then we get the result online. It uses the cloud server. Now there is another way using cocalc.com website, cloud computing website. Here we have to create our sign in by email, and we can create our password and login. Now typical user interface, Jupyter interface for the Sage Math 9.8 in CoCalc cloud computing environment is shown here. Here you can see in this line, plot function x square minus 5 to 5 is the range, shift plus enter is, then we get this result here. So this is the web page shown in CoCalc cloud computing environment. Now we prefer to use for the initial learning Sage cell server. You use any internet web browser, Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, and type this command sagecell.sagemath.org. You get this page, and you can write command here in this space, and then press evaluate button. Now we will show some example. Now suppose we have to find the partial fraction and integration in mathematics. So suppose we have to find the partial fraction of this rational polynomial. Here so in the Sage cell server web page, we write this command: expression is equal to this rational polynomial written here. Expression is equal to this. So this is our object for this object a variable is created expression, and this expression dot partial fraction expression dot partial fraction, this gives the partial fraction of this expression here, rational polynomial, and we can use integral expression, sorry, this is expression here, not expression here, comma x. So we get this result here. This is the partial fraction and this is the integral. Now how to use above commands in Sage Math Cell? We go to this website sagecell.sagemath.org. This page is created. Now we write the expression x. This is the rational polynomial x dot partial fraction b, show b. Show is being used for to show the values, the result in formatted output, and this is the integral expression comma x, show c. So if you press this evaluate button here, we get this result here in the web page. This first line is for the partial fraction, second line, this is the integral of that expression. So this is the first example of using Sage Cell server in web page. Now we go to the second example of projectile motion. How we use Sage Cell server for projectile motion. Now in projectile motion, we know an object is projected at an angle theta here. So we have two components, u cos theta and u sin theta. The equations for the horizontal and vertical position and velocity components are shown here. This is the position, horizontal component into time. This is the vertical displacement, yt is equal to u sin theta t minus half gt square, and this is the horizontal velocity component, u cos theta, and this is the vertical velocity component which varies with time, u sin theta minus gt. So from these two equations we are going to use Sage Cell server, and this is the speed of the projectile. We have to square it and then take the square root. So we have to find the variation of speed with time. For this, first we have to define the variable. In Python, we have to define the variable. Suppose say time t is the variable. Here is the quotes here. These are the initial values, u, g 9.8, theta in radians, and t is the time period, time of flight period for the plot, to define the plot range, and this is the numeric value of the t dot n, gives the numeric value of the time of flight. Now we use the plot command here, and this is the speed, square root, and this is the t is equal to 0 to capital T, the plot range. If we run this command in Sage Cell server, we get the plot of speed with time. Now suppose we have to plot the path of the projectile. So again we define the variable t here. Now you see here, for the path, horizontal x distance is also a function of t, y is also a function of t. So we have to eliminate t, then we get the equation between y and x for the path. So we can use here without eliminating t, we can use parametric plot here, parametric plot, and this is the velocity component, x component, and this is the y component here, and this is the time t is 0 to t here. So if we plot this, we get x y plot. Parametric plot gives the xy plot for the projectile motion. And in this here, third part, we can combine curve 1 and 2 for the, and show command is used to combine plot, parametric plot P1 and P2 here. So if you see, these are the, if you run the command, speed, time, projectile path with distance, and this curve shows speed and path both are in the same curve. At the highest point, speed is minimum, only horizontal component is there. Speed is minimum. So this is the, and this is the Sage math cells. In the Sage math cell, we write these commands in this form, because if you see, we can define the variables u, t, g and theta, and these are the values, and this is the plot command. If you write this, we get this plot here. Now we take an example, numerical example for the van der Waals gas law. Calculate pressure in atmospheric for the 0.5 mole of CO2 gas in 2.5 liter vessel at 25 degrees with ideal gas and van der Waals gas. For CO2, these are the values A, B, gas constant R is given here. This example is given in the K.D. Sharma numerical chemistry. So for this problem, this is the van der Waals equation. Van der P plus n square A square. This is the van der Waals equation. It is written here. So variable, we define the variable P, N, A, V, B, R, T. This is the Python syntax. You have to define the variables. And solve command is used to solve this equation, van der equation. We have to find the value of P, because we have to calculate the pressure. So from this we can find the P, and we get this P value here, and in the P value we can put the numerical values here, bracket 0.5, T is capital T is 298, R is equal to, and V is equal to 2.5, A and B, and we execute these commands in Sage math cell server, we get this answer. So this you can see here, variable P, N, A, V, B, R, T, these are the variables defined. Van der Waals equation is written here, and solve under P here, and evaluate button is pressed, we get the P here, and this P is used, to evaluate the value of P at these numerical values. Now finally, to create, we can use the Sage cell server interactive mathematical demonstrations to show. For example, this is a quadratic equation, x square plus 4x plus 5. If we change this value A from negative to positive, how the curve shape changes, we can develop a program here. This is interactive, these are called Sage interacts. Here I have shown an example for using Sage interact here. In the Sage math cell server, you write this commands, interact command here, and define quadratic. A is a variable here, and which is given range -2 to 2. So this creates a slider, and this equation has been plotted ax square plus 4x plus 5 in the range x minus 8 to 8, and show command is used to display here. Now if you run this in Sage math cell, here you can see we have written here commands here, and if you run evaluate, if you press evaluate, we get this here. So this is a slider is created, this is A, and this value is -2, this value is 2. So if you change the slider from here to here, here to here, any position here, the curve orientation changes from concave, it becomes convex. So this is the example of Sage Interact. I think इस वीडियो में हमने सेज मैथ के कुछ फीचर सीखे हैं और हम इसको अपनी सब्जेक्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग को बढ़ाने में यूज़ कर सकते हैं। वीडियो काफ़ी लेंदी हो गया है, सो ईजीएस्ट वे सेज मैथ को यूज़ करने का सेज सेल सर्वर है, जो कि इंटरनेट से आप डायरेक्टली इस वेबसाइट पर जा कर के इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं। फाइनली, those who are appearing for the engineering first year, BSc first year and BA first year with mathematics and preparing for admission in these courses, we recommend कि सेज मैथ सेल को यूज़ करके हम अपनी सब्जेक्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग को बढ़ा सकते हैं। एंड दिस इज़ द वेबसाइट sagemath.org. This is the website here. In the meantime, हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपनी सब्जेक्ट को पढ़ने में। आई होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा। थैंक यू।